Good morning. This is day 24 and day 3 at the Smokies, and it's raining. Had to pack up a wet tent again, and I'm in my full rain gear. And the plan today is to do about 14 miles to Cold Spring Gap shelter or something like that. It's very foggy, so probably there will be no views. And I'm feeling a bit better than yesterday, at least for now. But I don't know until I start walking how slow I might feel, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's incredible. Wow. We're walking in a cloud, but it's very muddy and slippery, so gotta be careful. But this looks so cool. And you can even feel the mist in your face as you walk, as if you're walking through millions of little tiny water droplets. So nice. Oh, he's going under the twig. Cute. Hi. So we are about halfway through the day. We just stopped at the Derrick Snob shelter to have some lunch/food. And it's been kind of raining on and off the whole day. I think more raining than not. And it's been very foggy, so we haven't had any views, unfortunately. can see these clouds. Oh, that looks awesome.